Hey, everybody, how you doing? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, coming here from Jacksonville, Florida. And I tell you, you know what? You didn't know this. You probably didn't know this. I didn't announce this on my any of my videos, but I am back. I am back. I have the opportunity to visit friends, family, old high school classmates down in my hometown of South Florida. And this is not about that, but this is about, of course, showing how to earn 50,000 plus per month for one of the greatest podcasters. But I'll get to that in just a second. Just going to share some information with you here on my time down in South Florida for my class reunion. So I was celebrating my 25th year class reunion, and if you do have an opportunity to ever go back and connect with high school mates when you were like 17, 18, definitely suggest it. It was a great time I had. Here are some pictures here. I'm the one of the Ely High Tigers, 25 years. Some great pictures of some old chaps and stuff. Just reminiscing. Also, at the same time, I had a great time to celebrate my grandmother, who just celebrated her 90th birthday. So that was just an awesome experience, just with friends and family. So, okay, I want to share that with you guys here, just to let you know where I was and what a great weekend I had. But getting to the content or what I want to share with you guys today is that we're basically sharing here that on this Wednesday, a gentleman by the name of Pat Flynn, and I don't know if you guys can see it here. I'm going to kind of move over here a little bit here. There we go. Pat Flynn. He is actually one of the world's best podcasters and digital marketers in the world, and he's a guy who earns $50,000 per month passively. And he's actually joining forces with MLSP this Wednesday. So if you want to find out what he's doing, how he's doing it, I know I'm going to be there, and I'm going to be learning exactly the same thing that you guys are. So there is a link at the bottom. Take a look at the link at the bottom. If you like what you see, register for the webinar. It will be impactful, I'm pretty sure, and you will learn a lot to help you get to the point where you can earn $50,000 per month. All right, guys, that's a quick video for today. I like to keep these as short as possible. Hope you have a wonderful day. God bless you, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.